What's up, everybody? Welcome and welcome back to the channel. It is I, Tamala, back today with another video. In today's video, I am going to be cooking some fried tilapia. Some people may frown upon it, but hey, it's good. We're eating it. I'm about to season it up and get to frying. So if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give this video a nice thumbs up. Leave a nice comment. We will appreciate it because... and join the CG crew. So let's get started. So I'm going to be using, different seasonings. It may seem like a lot of seasoning, but I know how to season my food and it's going to taste very good. Okay. So we're going to start off with some adobo. And we're going to do little flour, little accent, onion powder, garlic powder, and I have this Red Lobster seafood seasoning that I purchased from this local market. So I'm gonna put a little bit of that on there and some black pepper. And what we're gonna do, I'm gonna use my tongue because I'm not gonna put my hand in it. So let me get my tongue. Okay, so we're just going to mix everything together. And we're going to add a little bit more seasoning. Because, it be looking like a lot of seasoning, but, once you mix everything together, and guys, I had the fish soaking in fresh squeezed lemon juice. So that's the liquid that y'all see in the bowl with the fish. I don't want y'all to think it was water because I don't think I said that during the video. I taste my food. Tastes good. So we're not going to add any more seasoning to this because once I do my cornmeal and flour mix, I'm going to add some seasonings to that. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Okay, so I have the flour and cornmeal in the Ziploc. This is a new Ziploc bag. I'm going to just add the same seasoning that I put on the fish into my bag. And it may be a little blurred out. The same seasonings. Okay, so we're going to shake this up and then add our fish. So we're gonna go ahead and add the fish. I'm gonna add just a few pieces. I got some of the seeds from the lemons in here. I'm doing something. What happened? Oh wow. Hope you're okay. And then just shake and shake it. we got the Ziploc closed, so we're good. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. And the fish is coated. We're about to put the grease in the pot and get it frying. Okay, so I'm about to add the oil to my pot. Don't come for my pot. The old pots are the best. I just bought some new pots and I still haven't used them. I'm just so stuck on my pots that I currently have. But the grease I'm using some old grease that I used the other day because I did fry some chicken. So I'm going to put some of that old canola oil, and I'm going to also put some new canola oil in here. Do y'all reuse y'all grease? Because I know if it's not dark, you know, all burnt and stuff, oh, I'm reusing the grease. Well, oil, as some like to say. But you know, that may be enough. I may don't have to add. Yeah, I'm not gonna add any more. That's enough. That's about an inch, a little less of an inch of the oil. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the eye on high to let it get hot, and then we'll start frying the fish. So I just lined the pan with some aluminum foil. I'm gonna put some paper towels in it, just so, you know, once the fish is done, the paper towel will catch the grease. So the grease is starting to bubble. It's, and you can hear the little sizzling sound. It's getting ready. It's getting ready, ready. Test my grease with a little flour. It didn't really bubble up just yet, so I'll wait a few more seconds. Got a good little bubble. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and start adding the fish. And I add about 4 at a time. Grease could have been a little hotter, but it's still frying. And these fish are nice size, so I'm gonna just add 3 in this go. So as you can see, it's frying. Yeah, and I didn't add any more oil. I was going to, but I said no, just left it like that. So I'm gonna let this fry on this side for about 3 to 4 minutes. Because I like mine golden brown. So I'm gonna let this first side fry for about 3 or 4 minutes. And then we're gonna flip it over and let the other side cook for about 2-3 minutes. Just so we can get them golden. So as you can see, it's frying up, but it's not ready to flip just yet. I want it to get a little bit darker. just a tad bit darker. You see, I want it to get a little darker. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and flip the fish. Okay, come on, friend, flip. All right. So these are the pieces that's done. This was the first batch, and we have the second batch frying up now. Good, golden, crispy. Channing. He was coming after you, but he... Oh, that's a real small one. So we're going to put like 5 in this batch. Put one more right there. All right, CG crew, this is the last batch. I'm ready to eat now. One more in here. Oh, that's it. Alrighty. So now we are about to add the French fries to the air fryer.
So cool.
I'm gonna, I think, do I spray it? Do I spray this with some oil? Not sure, but I'm gonna spray just a little bit and then add the French fries. All right, I'm gonna add half and then I'll add the other half. All right, you guys, so we are done. We have our fried fish and our air fried French fries. I'm about to make plates and we're about to chow. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give this video a nice thumbs up. Leave a nice comment. We will appreciate it because we know you're gonna like it here. And thank you all for your support. We really appreciate it. Catch you guys on the next one. Bye bye.